Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we're diving straight into the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F, an elite-level motocross machine built for precision, speed, and control on the dirt. If you're chasing podiums or just perfecting your laps, this is a bike that demands your attention. Engine and performance. The YZ450F is powered by a 450 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine known for its strength and responsiveness. In 2025, Yamaha updated the ECU settings to deliver a smoother power curve, especially in the low to mid-range. Throttle response is crisp but controlled, giving you punch when you need it without overwhelming grip in tight corners. The power delivery feels predictable, allowing riders to stay in control while still pushing hard across a moto. Chassis and suspension. The aluminum bilateral beam frame gets subtle stiffness changes this year, improving overall balance and rider feedback. It holds a line well and gives the rider confidence when charging through rough sections or committing to a rut. Up front, the KYB fork offers excellent mid-stroke support and better bottoming resistance. Out back, the shock remains fully adjustable, with smoother rebound and improved traction in acceleration zones. Ergonomics and handling. Ergonomics are dialed in tighter this year. The seat is slimmer, the tank is more compact, and the overall profile of the bike feels leaner. Movement on the bike is easy and unrestricted, ideal for aggressive riding. Handling is responsive and neutral. It doesn't fight you in transitions or off-camber corners. Whether you're scrubbing jumps or cutting through choppy braking bumps, the YZ stays composed and predictable. Electronics and tuning. Yamaha's Power Tuner app is still a standout feature. With it, you can adjust fuel mapping and ignition timing directly from your phone. Traction control and launch control are both adjustable, and the system allows you to fine-tune the ride to your track or riding style with ease. It's intuitive tech that adds flexibility without complicating the experience. Brakes, tires, and components. Braking performance is strong and consistent. The front delivers bite without harshness, and the rear is easy to modulate during corner entries or technical sections. Dunlop MX-33 tires come standard, offering excellent grip across mixed terrain. The Blue XL rims add a factory look while keeping weight down and strength up. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha YZ450F doesn't overhaul its design, but every change has purpose. Smoother power, refined handling, and a rider-first setup make this one of the most capable 450s on the market. Whether you're racing competitively or riding for the love of it, the YZ delivers a fast, focused experience. That's it for today's look at the 2025 YZ450F. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. You've been watching Motor Insight. Ride smart, ride fast, and we'll see you in the next one.